How to use Apple ID Passkey feature 2026. To use the Apple ID's Passkey feature as of 2026, first of all, you have to turn on the iCloud keychain. So open the settings application on your iPhone or iPad, tap your name at the very top of the menu, then select the iCloud, and then tap the passwords and keychain. Now you simply have to sync this device to on. Once you turn this feature on, sign in with your passkey. Go to the Apple account login page on the Safari or an updated browser. Then type in your Apple ID email address. Then tap the sign in with passkey button. When prompted, verify your identity using the Face ID or Touch ID on your device passcode to instantly log in. Now you simply have to proceed to log in to non-Apple device. Choose Sign in with an Apple or iPad or even Android device option. A QR code will display on the screen. You simply have to open the native camera application on your iPhone or iPad and scan the QR code. Then tap the prompt on your phone screen and authenticate via Face ID or Touch ID. And manage your stored keys from the settings panel on your setting application. Then go to Passwords on your iPhone. From there, you can authenticate once again with your Face ID to see your master directory. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, to comment down below.